guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope this video meets you well at this hour. Today in this video I will show you how to claim up to 10 Unio token on your Trust wallet for free. But before then, I want you to help me smash the red subscribe button and click the little bell so that you can be aware whenever I drop content for you on this channel. And don't forget to be part of the 300 USDT winner by just clicking on the subscribe button. So you might luckily be selected as one of the winners. So why not smash the red subscribe button? Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be aware whenever I drop a new content. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, on this channel I make video about how to make money online with cryptocurrency, telecommunication and tech generally. I also do review and I share news about information around the world. So feel free to join my Telegram channel. If you want to chat me up on Instagram, tap the link. If you want to join my Facebook page, and if you have any information you want to send to me, you want me to do any video, just send me email and I will gladly do this video for you. So don't forget to smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So now we'll go straight to the business of today. What we want to do is, I think you see the current price of this Uniswap token. So the current price right now is $16, though it has suffered about 21% or 22% lost in some minutes or some hours, over 24 hours ago. So this is just one Uniswap, and if you watch this video to the very end, you see the simple steps to claim up to 10 of these tokens for free on your Trust wallet. Now I go straight to my Trust wallet app without any story, and what you want to do right now is to tap on the D app section of the Trust wallet. Then you click at this search bar, but before then, look at the description of this video. Then you see a link to the airdrop link or the token link, where you can copy the link directly. So you can copy the link from my Telegram page, or you can copy the link from the link you get at the description of this video. So we'll go straight. So what you want to do here right now is you want to copy this link. You want to highlight it and copy this link. You copy this link, then you go back to your Trust wallet. So right now we are going to paste this link here, then we'll search for it. Okay, so what you want to do, as at the time of making this video, this remain few days to be listed. So you have the opportunity to still claim it now. This remain few days. So what you want to do here is you want to come to airdrop, then you want to come to withdraw. So when you come to withdraw, it will ask you to paste in okay, you go back to your Trust wallet first, then you want to click on your Ethereum, then you click on the receive. So you copy your receive, then you go back to the D app session. Then you want to paste in the Ethereum address right there. Then other things you can do is you can refer your friends. If you see here, for every friends you refer, you get 0.2 Unio at the same time. You can invite up to 40 people at once, and this reward can be up to 8 Unio token. So this token will be listed in few days time, so you have the opportunity to claim it now. Guys, don't forget, if you've not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to smash the red subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the little bell so that you can be aware when I drop new content. If you have any information you want to get across to me, you can send me email at exposeinfo@gmail.com. You can get the email at the description of my video. You can also join the Telegram channel. If you want to message me directly, you can get the link to my WhatsApp at the description of this video, so you can get to my WhatsApp group and message me right there. So guys, this is all for today, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys.